verse 1 to 3. When the Sabbath was over, Mary Magdalene, Mary the mother of James, and Salome bought spices so that they might go to anoint Jesus' body. Very early in the very early in the first day of the week, just after the sunrise, on their way to the tomb, and they asked each other, who will roll the stone away from the entrance of the tomb. And they saw, when they looked up, they saw the stone, which is very large, away from the tomb.
Had been rolled. As they entered. Okay na po.